Hello. I buy pallet returns. Sometimes they're good products, sometimes they don't work. So I'm gonna take this apart and see if I can get it to work. The trigger was making it work, but now the trigger won't do anything. I know the battery's fully charged. It's a Ryobi Blower. Model number P21012 VNM. And it came with a weed whacker and it works, so I know the batteries are good. I've seen some other people take these apart and end up being their switch. So it's probably what I'm going to find out. Too big. Oh. Yeah, that one works. I got any numbers. That is a T15 Torx. Whew. All right. One more. Oh, so we gotta get this cap off of here. Something's not loose. There we go. Let's see what. I'm going to use a voltmeter with continuity testing. The basic one has a beep here, and the numbers show up. So check continuity. Oh. This should, well, it shouldn't make a sound if it's broke. Oh. Seems to be responding okay. Alright, well. Wires in there. Oh, isn't that nice? It's not even connected. That would definitely be a problem. I'm sure it does vibrate loose in there. Alright, well, let's just put the battery in and find out. Alright. Well, that saved me some money buying the switch. Maybe not. I'm thinking that's okay, but put some silicone or something in that hole so it doesn't come apart. Alright, just got any regular silicone just to help it from separating. And if it needs to be replaced, it can always be dug out of there once it dries. Alright, let's see if we can put it back together. This is pretty easy. Pretty easy to take apart. Screw. Probably already got a screw in that one. Love it. So, before you buy a switch, take it apart, make sure it's not something else. That was very simple. Thanks for watching.